Turn any idea into a professional, production-ready website in literally 60 seconds. No setup required and not even manual coding. Just you and your instructions with a 60-second countdown. Today, we explore the power of Bolt.new, v0, and Lovable, a powerful no-code platforms developed for efficient development, especially for MVPs. This is Bolt.new, a platform to build production-ready app in seconds. I will start my 60-second timer, and now I'm prompting for a high-performance agency CRM where I am talking a real-time dashboard, Supabase auth, and a dark theme powered by Tailwind. Now, while the generator is scaffolding my project in the background, let's look at the engine. On the left, a professional explorer with your full source tree synchronized. At the bottom, the terminal is running a full Node.js shell inside your browser, installing dependencies and running migrations as we speak. And on the right, the preview updates instantly as the AI writes the code. But look at the depth. It's not just a mock-up. It's generating modular React components like this grid.tsx file and wiring up real Supabase database logic in the backend. 45 seconds in, and we already have a functional, high-quality application. Finally, the build is optimized, the project is live, and we've gone from an idea to a deployed SaaS in under a minute. You can now simply click on deploy and you will get a public URL which you can share with anyone. Next up is v0. It's similar to Bolt.new. I'm asking v0 for a high-end SaaS landing page with neon accents and glass morphism. Watch how it handles the UI logic. It's leveraging Shatscene and Tailwind to create pixel-perfect components that look like they were designed by a pro. In under a minute, you have a fully responsive, ready-to-ship Next.js interface. Finally, there's Lovable. If you're building a full-scale SaaS, this is your secret weapon. I'm prompting for an end-to-end CRM with customer profiles and Stripe payments. Lovable doesn't just design your site, it builds your entire ecosystem. It wires up your Supabase database, creates the schema, and connects your backend to a high-performance dashboard. This is a powerful tool which can be used by literally anyone. Now you must be wondering, how is all this possible? Well, the magic happens in the architecture. Your prompt goes to a massive LLM, but the code runs in WebContainers. This is a full Node.js runtime running natively inside your browser. No backend server is required. So, which one should you choose? This can give you a context. Bolt is for full stack speed. v0 is for pixel perfect UI. And Lovable is your end-to-end SaaS builder with authentication and databases wired up. But they all come with a trade-off. If your instructions are not clear, it might not build what you wanted. It's all in the prompt. A vague prompt like make me a website will just give you something generic. But if you are specific, think structure, data, and interactions, the AI has exactly what it needs to deliver something incredible on the first try. Follow these steps. Structure first, specify your data, and iterate. These tools are conversation-based, so treat your AI like a partner, not a one-shot shop. The tools are ready, the infrastructure is optimized, and your instructions are clear. Bolt, v0, and Lovable. This platform gives you a superpower to let you build faster than ever before. Stop dreaming, master the tools, go build something incredible. Follow for more.